Hey, welcome. Just a real quick video. Just wanted to thank you for taking me up on the free email course. It's a 5-day free email course, and it's designed to help you kind of get back on track. The assumption is you're here because something is amiss, something's broken, probably in the area of confidence, maybe clarity as well. This course is not the end all be all, but I think it's a really good beginning. If you have decided to take on this course, you're going to get 5 emails over the next 5 days, one per day, and they're going to be very brief. But the notion is to trigger something inside you to rebuild that confidence. We all get punched in the gut, kicked in the nuts, whatever. Mine was a very contentious divorce years ago, and it really sapped me. I went from a very confident leader to a lost soul for quite some time. And most of the way back was just clarity, but it began with a decision. Like, I'm not putting up with this shit anymore. There's a lot more to me than I'm showing the world right now. And I got tagged, and so what? We all do. It happens. Financial hardship, divorce, illness, it doesn't matter. But you're a successful guy. Maybe you're a gal. My success with women is women who grew up with brothers and maybe played team sports, a little rough around the edges, but still feminine. Mostly guys, though. And we get tagged, and you can continue to function. You probably are functioning, but you're functioning at a lower gear than you're capable of, and you're just sick of it. And I totally get it. So that's the purpose of this course. And when you get to the end of this thing, if you are motivated to go deeper and you want to go farther, just reach out and jump on my calendar. That's the progression of events. If you have any questions while you're going through the course, just send me an email. I look at all the replies. And that's it for now. Good luck taking the course. I hope you enjoy it. And please give me some feedback. And also, if you know anybody else that's been knocked back, if you will, share the course with them. It's free. There's no obligation. And like I said, if the end and you want to go deeper, uh, look me up. I'm easy to find. Best of luck.